This week on Cars and Things Rest Days, done it again. This week on Bikes and Things Rest Days, we are rescuing a young fella. Let's have a look what we've got. Welcome to Summit X35. Welcome to Summit X35. Welcome back to Cars and Things Rest Days. Alrighty, let's have a look what the young fella's brought out of you. Hello, mate.
Crouchy.
What do we got?
We've got a DRZ 400 engine here, so 4 weeks out from the trip.
You boys have to be so noisy. Look, they don't want to help us. They just want to go fishing.
You're probably better not to.
Sorry, mate.
That's
yeah.
right.
Okay. Well, everybody would have watched the video already, and we showed them what was wrong with it. So you've got a kit.
Yep.
And
The kit from MX Store.
it's got all the gear in it that we need.
This is the main bit and the most expensive.
Big crank, you beauty. You know what? We need to go stick that in the freezer.
Yeah, the bearings.
Bearings, now we'll heat them up. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Plug it all in.
All right. We're going to start getting into this and start pulling it apart, and we'll show you as we go. There you can see we've got it all apart. Just put all the fresh bearings in that. Leave that out of the way for now. Only thing was Chris got all the bearing pullers, but he got the wrong one to pull the flywheel off. So he just rung. What's the name? Is it Mildura Motorcycle? No, it's not. One of them. The guy, the Suzuki dealer in town, where he's been buying his parts from, and they said, yeah, come in, mate, well, you can borrow the tool and rip it off if you like. So he's just ripped in to grab that. Good on him. There it is. There's the one that he got, and it's an inside one, we need an outside one, so that was wrong. So, but the silly bugger, he went and bought brand new timing chains and everything, and the whole kit come with everything. It's a pretty good kit, actually. Comes with everything in it. He didn't realise that. Even water pump kit, which I'll wait and do the water pump later. Yeah, we're going to do the lot. It'll be brand new time we're finished with it. So it's all happening. I'm just getting interrupted by these blokes. Keep getting interrupted, don't I, Mick?
Yes. What else?
Anyway, it's all happening. So as soon as Chris gets back, we'll start doing all the bearings on the other side and put the new crank in. So there we go. Good. This is prep for the Simpson, and we have had a ringer. Mick's not coming because he's scared of getting sand in his jocks, aren't you, Mick?
Yep, well, I like sand in my jocks.
So this bloke here is going to come, aren't you, mate? He watched the video and he said, can I come? I said, no worries, brother.
One spot left.
Yeah, you got one spot.
So there's no spots left, is that what you're telling me?
No, there's two. One for you as well.
If you want it.
Yep.
Yeah, well,
Don't fuck around.
You need to know now. Come on, while you're on
no,
camera.
if they knock me back on my holidays at thing, maybe I might do it.
Done. You're in. Mick's in.
Beautiful.
I'm going to ring his boss.
It's not him, it's the next mob. There's two
So,
others that I don't-
Shay's come all the way from Noosa,
Cootamundra.
come down, because he had to, yeah, he's come down to pick up a motorbike. We might show you that later. And he said, you know what, I might stay and give Trav a hand and come with you guys. So,
Pay for me trip.
coming for the trip. Yurdy. Someone to sit with Henry
It's got to go in there a bit.
when we're going across the Simpson. If we get up there, it's a bit wet up there at the minute.
It's not too bad.
Water will be gone by then.
What do you reckon when I pull that out?
Alrighty.
Yeah, quick rush into town to Deacon Motorcycles. Had to get a puller to get on here to get this flywheel assembly off. So thanks to those guys very much. Nigel in there, appreciate it. She wasn't coming off otherwise, so but she came off pretty easily. And
You see,
next
the
step
screw
now.
goes through there and everything.
Keep going. Well, battery went flat in the camera while we were putting it together. So we've got to this stage. We didn't realise. Should have, because it's taken us all day. It's nearly 4:30 now. Yep, exactly 4:30. But it is all back together with the new piston in it. We're just putting the head bolts in. And then we'll put all the cams and whatnot in it. Getting there slowly. Ready to start up tomorrow.
Cross fingers, yes.
I haven't tried the gears out yet. Alrighty, we'll keep knocking it out. There we go, bud.
Thank you.
Done. It's a bit dirty, you could have washed it.
Yeah, that'll be tomorrow.
So we just timed it, cams in it, put the lumpies in it, lumpy sticks. He's just going to put that on when he gets home. Went through all the gears, got gears. That's your exhaust. Just do that. Just do that. It should be right to go. So where's your box of bits? What didn't we put in? Valve stem seals we didn't do.
No.
There's a lot of fucking that's your exhaust gasket, you'll need that.
Yep.
Don't know about all these fucking O-rings. We put in every, unless there's a couple of different types. I don't know. Couldn't tell you,
It
mate.
did say more come in the kit than what you needed
Yeah, for sure.
for doing this job. So
Because we replaced every seal and O-ring that I could. Unless there's one on here I didn't do. That's just the cap for the timing. No, that's just a sealing washer. Don't know. Can't help you, Chris. That's as much I can do for you, mate.
I'm happy with that, Kirsty. Thank you.
Well, let's just see if it goes tomorrow, I suppose.
Crack a bin in the morning and start
All right. We'll leave this for now. We'll get a loader up. We'll do a bit of a clean up.
Hey guys, been a few weeks since Crouchy rebuilt the motor for me, but there it all is, just a few little bits and pieces waiting on a part, a shim washer from Suzuki. Took all that 2 weeks actually. Got all that together, so it's ready to go back in the frame. Made a bit of room in here, it's still a bit of a brothel, but hopefully I'll start lift it in a minute and then start bolting more up and then hopefully get it started. So it's going to be fun lifting in there. The motor's bloody heavy, but that's where it's going. And, I'll do a few more videos as we fit it up. Righto, motor's in the frame. That's a bit of fun. Bit of wriggle around. Seemed to come out a hell of a lot easier, probably as they always do, but sitting in there. Now I've just got to get all the mounts and bolts and swing arm to line up. I have to get some help for that. It's pretty hard to do, just one person, so, but it's sitting in there. Ready to keep going. Yeah, and hopefully I remember where everything went. I bet you I don't. Henry told me to take photos. I didn't, Henry, so see how far we can get. I'll have to go around the marks if I can't bloody remember what's what and look at his. So anyway, the motor is sitting in there. We're getting closer. Cheers, boys. Righto. First start after the rebuild. Cross the fingers. I think everything's been done up. All good. So we'll kick her over. See if we get some oil up to that head there. So here we go. Quickly, oil coming out of there. That's good. Righto. Take two.